everyone, in this video I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts about Notion AI. So at the moment Notion AI is still in beta and you need to join a waitlist in order to sign up. But until then, I'm going to be telling you guys my thoughts about it and the things that you're capable of doing with this new AI tool. Now, to begin, www.notion.so/product/AI is the main website. From here, if you want to, you can join the waitlist or watch the 1-minute demo. However, if we scroll down here, we can see most of the features it has. You can generate blog posts, meeting agenda, social media post, press release, job description, sales email, poem, pros and cons list, and an outline. Therefore, I think it's going to be a very powerful tool. I think Notion will probably be used by multiple high school and university students to write their essays and far more assignments that they have to complete. Alongside that, I feel like many people who work will use Notion to completely not waste time on writing such articles or such things like a social media post or a sales email and rather just tell Notion to do it. Notion AI will be probably one of the most AI tools in the future, and I'm looking forward to it. But generally, that is my thoughts and views on Notion AI. If you guys like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.